Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care video. Today we're going to be making a project that's based on traditional Christmas dinner. So there's two templates that you can print out. They are free. Use the links in the description to print those out. And then we're going to start with the template that has all of the food items on it. So grab your markers and just start coloring in those food items. This is a great project for inspiring conversation. You can ask your loved ones what kinds of things they used to have at their Christmas dinner, what items they liked. Maybe they remember what things they didn't like as a kid and they like as an adult. Once you've colored in the food items, you can cut them across horizontally so that your loved one can have some choice over what they want to put onto their art project. So as you see here, we've got ham and we've got turkey. And using those two beside each other, it makes it easier visually for them to make a choice. And then you can go ahead and do the same with the vegetables, or perhaps they like all the vegetables and would want to use all of them. After you've chosen the ones that you want to use, go ahead and cut them out. They don't have to be cut out perfectly. As you see with the peas here, I've just cut around the outside. I haven't cut along the line. It just makes it more simple to cut around the outside, so choose whatever is best and easiest for you. So once you've got them cut out, you can grab the other template with the dinnerware on it, and you can begin to paste the food items onto the plate. After you're done pasting the food items onto the plate, you can go ahead and color in the cutlery. And there you have it, a plate of Christmas dinner. Thank you for watching. I wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe so that you can see other videos like this one.